Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So we have two different job openings from two different companies, that is Zoho and one from DXC, to discuss in this video. So everyone, please to watch this video till the very end to know about all the criteria and to clear all your doubts and to know like how can you apply, how can you get noticed in your application, everything in detail. Okay, I'll be explaining it, so please have a look at it. So now let's start with Zoho itself. Zoho technical support, they're hiring for the technical support engineer. Obviously, it's a great position for sure. And yeah, let's go for the eligibility criteria. Before that, if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon too. While you activate the bell icon, please put it as all, because when you put all, only whichever video we upload, you will be getting notified. Else, you will be missing some of the videos at the time when we upload. These kind of hiring videos, especially from the company recruitment, off-campus recruitment, there will be a certain period of time. When you go through, you'll get to know like the last day is on 11th November for Mindtree. So similarly, there are so much links and companies who do put forward only till up to particular time. So if you miss the video, then you will not be able to apply in perfect time. Okay, so you make sure that you apply to the same, and yeah, that's it. We can help you with all your placement needs. Okay, now before that, one more thing, that is we this Diwali we have an offer for you, that is from Online Study for You family. So if you wish to get any of the courses from our application, you can get it with 21% off and 3 months free extension by using our coupon code Diwali21, and this is only offered till 7th November. So before that, grab your discount and get your courses done, and you'll getting 3 months free extension for that course plus the extension that is available. So this is a grab right opportunity to start learning things and to crack your dream company. Okay, so you can go with the link that I've mentioned in the description for all the things that I've mentioned as of now. So here, let's start with the eligibility criteria for Zoho. So they need excellent in written and verbal communication skill in English, excellent problem solving skills, keen to learn new technologies, excellent client facing skills. Okay, and now the experience will be 0 to 2 years of experience. That is, it is applicable for 0 years of experience, 1 year, 2 year, whatever. Now, job description, what all things that you'll be handling. As a support engineer, you would need to understand the customer queries and answer the queries in timely manner, diagnose, research, analyze the issues reported by the customer in the product. So deliver voice, email, and chat-based technical support, willingness to work in night shifts. Okay, so when night shifts are available, and you must be the interface between the product and also the customer. So you must be well aware of the things. Okay, now here provides a candidate information. So you can see full name, everything. So freshers eligible, you can keep the fresher. If fresher, kindly mention the year of passing. So basically this is applicable for wide range of like freshers. They haven't mentioned regarding any of the things. So 2019, 20, 21 and 22 batches also you can try applying to that. And if they could take you with a like their notice period, the time of selection process, then that will be helpful. Okay, and year of passing you can mention. If experience, mention that. Functional area, they attached resume. So resume must be crisp enough, like maximum 2 page, not beyond that, and it should have all the information which is technically related things applicable for this job application. Okay, so this is the application process as well. Once you apply, you will be getting the further process through your mail. So they will contact through mail, like regarding this further process. Maybe there will be technical round, HR round, online assessment, everything depends upon the number of candidates have applied. So according to that, there will be difference in the selection process to filter the people around. So this is how you have to apply it. So once you apply, make sure you have this technical skill in strong. So they have mentioned these many things, right? So this in strong and apply to this. So most of the people you can apply. And in here, they haven't mentioned like you must be this graduate alone, you must be that graduate alone. So whoever who could take care of these things will be, you can go with this. So basically, obviously, BTech, MCA, those kind of students can apply, and BCA will be those kind of students too. And this is it. So yeah, this is about this. And basically, some technical things will be coming. So if you have the basic knowledge in programming, then you can apply to this position. Okay, so all kind of batches you can try applying to this. Now, this is it. And coming to the CTC details. So average Zoho salary CTC is 5 lakhs per annum. So they have mentioned 0 to 2 years of experience. So it varies accordingly. Okay, so that is the average salary, 5 lakhs per annum. So next we have another opening from DXC to discuss in this video. So DXC is hiring for the associate professional software engineer, and you can see the essential job functions will be perform system modeling, then input for documentation, assist in documentation and new access of programs to ensure information accessibility, participate in designing, developing, troubleshooting, analyzing software programs, assist in customizing purchased application, provides feedback and reports to management, works under moderate guidance. Okay. Now, next basic qualifications will be bachelor's degree in equivalent combination of education and experience, bachelor's degree in computer science, management, information system, or related field. Entry level, performs routine assignments, has conceptual knowledge of theories, practices, and procedures in software engineer or operating systems programming, acquired through a college or university degree or equivalent work experience. Okay, so what they want is bachelor's degree and or equivalent combination education skill, in the sense if you have the bachelor's degree in related fields, then you can go with that. Else, if you don't have the bachelor's degree with related to that, if there is some experience like internship experience or whatever, that will help into this section. Okay, so this is about the qualification criteria. Now, other qualifications will be basic analytical and problem solving skill for design, creation and testing of software, interpersonal skills to interact with customers and team members, communicate skills to interact with team members and support personnel, ability to work in a team, work environment and office environment. Okay. So basically, you need to know about the software development lifecycle and basic things about the programming if you're a fresher. Okay, so this is about the opening in DXC. Now to apply for that, you can click on this apply button. And these are the options. I'm going for apply manually. Okay, so this is application process. So first you need to sign in if you have already a career under that. If not, you can create an account, then you can log in. So once you log in, you will be having a sections where you have to fill your personal information, your education information, then your skill set, then are you ready to relocate, and which is the passing out year and everything in detail format. So this is about the application process, and photographs maybe, and resume too. Okay, that's it about it. And also coming to the application process, like which all branches can apply it in here. 2020, 21 and 22 people also can try applying to this. If your notice period can, like they can take you after the graduation of those time, then they can, that will be also possible. Okay, so everybody try applying to this position. So basically this is for passed out students, and 20 till 21 can apply, and 22 students, if you wish to try for this opportunity, for sure you can also try applying to that. Okay, that's it. And coming to the CTC details. So for DXC, 4 plus LPA is the average estimated salary. Okay. So when I say like 2020 also can try applying to this, what I actually mean is there are so much companies who will be accepting you. If you don't have any backlog still now, they can accept you because you will be in your final semesters, right? So they'll be accepting you. Like some will be like, okay, after 3 months or 4 months after examination, you can join for work. And some will be like, okay, you can join now as an intern, and after that you can after your graduation, if all papers are done, then you will be converted into a sub-professional. Okay, so this is the two difference. If it is not a pooled campus drive, like many people will be accepting it, until it's like that, most of the companies are accepting it this ways too. Okay, so DXC and all used to do that as well. So try applying to that like this. Okay, so until it's a pool drive, you can try applying it similarly. And at the time of selection process or anything, you can just tell them this is the graduation honors, or else you can wait until 2022 you get passed out. Okay, so there are two options. Either you can try it from now, or else you can wait until 2022 batch. I mean, your batch is getting passed out. At that time till you can wait. Okay, so these are the two options available. So you can try accordingly, according to your sensibility. You can try reading all these things, you can try it. Okay, so that's it. That's all for today. If you have any further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section, and also suggestions regarding the video content, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.